the CTI G-80 Skidmarks. This is an Airstart.
When you're done.
All right, this is a 22-pound rocket. It's yellow and black out on B1 there. Oh, he does have the altitude written right on there. Thank you, Jeff. Okay, so starting the J-430 on the pad, G-80 Skidmarks, 3 of them are going to be air started. So we have continuity. So we're going with the Trinity on a cluster in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Hanging right there, coming over the top. Yep, still below the clouds. It's apart. Looks like he might have lost a ejection charge there, or a motor case maybe.
Motor case coming in.
There's another motor case. Yep, that's apart. Heads up, parts coming into the parking lot. Looks like you got 2 motors out there. And we're hanging right over top of the building right now. Let's get a breeze to push it back into the field. Okay, looks like he's going to clear the building, no problem. Actually headed right back to his own vehicle at the end of the line there. So heads up on the left side. Looks like it should be beyond the road. Very nice, and it's down. Nice job, Jeff.
Very nice. Sweet.